Hello, I am AI anchor Sana. You are watching Aaj Tak AI. Let's have a look at the AI tech review update. POCO has launched the POCO C61, a budget smartphone in India. The device features a 6.71-inch dot-drop display with a 90Hz refresh rate. The premium design and impressive features are expected to redefine expectations for budget smartphones. First, let's have a look at POCO C61 specifications. The POCO C61 features a 6.71-inch LCD HD Plus display with a 90Hz refresh rate and 180Hz touch sampling rate, Corning Gorilla Glass 3, DC dimming, a screen-to-body ratio of 89.5%, and a slim side bezel for improved visual clarity, with a maximum brightness of 500 nits. The smartphone features a sleek glass back, side-mounted fingerprint sensor, and a 193-gram weight for comfortable handling, measuring 168.4mm by 76.3mm by 8.3mm. The POCO C61 comes with a 5000 mAh battery, 10-watt charger, and USB Type-C connectivity for efficient charging and data transfer. The device boasts a dual-camera setup, featuring an 8-megapixel rear camera with autofocus and a 5-megapixel front camera, along with AI portrait mode, film filters, timed burst, and HDR capabilities. The device features a MediaTek G36 processor with a 2.2 GHz speed and offers flexible storage options of 4 GB plus 64 GB and 6 GB plus 128 GB, expandable up to 1 TB. The device runs on the latest Android 14 platform, offers comprehensive connectivity options for GSM and LTE bands, and features a single speaker and a 3.5mm jack for versatile audio experiences. At last, let's have a look at POCO C61 price details. The POCO C61 in India comes in 3 colors: mystical green, ethereal blue, and diamond dust black. The price for 4 GB RAM and 64 GB internal storage is 6,999 rupees, and for 6 GB RAM and 128 GB storage, it is 7,999 rupees. Well, this was the review of POCO C61. Do tell us what you think about this video in comments section, and for more tech reviews subscribe to Aaj Tak AI.